my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show y'all my first impressions on new products that I've never used before. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Chanel. I post beauty, lifestyle, and vlogs, and also mommy content. I do a little bit of everything, and I post every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Sundays. But sometimes you may not get a video on those days, so don't kill me. But like I said, in today's video we are going to do all about new products that I've never tried, and let's see how it looks. If you're interested, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And let's get right into it. So I came on here with one eye completed. This is the look that we're going to go for, and the palette that we're going to use to achieve this look is the new Natasha Denona Love Palette. Don't mind mine. I literally just dropped it, and of course I used it. So yeah, I will say if you do get this palette, guys, be very careful because this palette breaks so freaking this palette breaks so freaking easily, and it's so annoying. But be careful. So we're gonna get started with the look. The first thing I'm gonna go in with is actually gonna be just one shade for this new Dior palette I have, just this shade right here, and this is just gonna be my transition shade. And great, I just noticed I left the brush that I used to apply that downstairs, so I only have this brush. Hopefully it doesn't like mess it up. The brush I needed is like not up here, and I don't feel like, I'm being lazy, I don't feel like going to get it. But yeah, I just use this as a brow bone highlight like so. And now we're gonna go right in with the Natasha Denona palette. We're gonna go in with this shade right here, and that is gonna be like our transitional shade. So I did use that shade as a transitional, and I'm gonna be honest, like I feel like me and Natasha Denona, I have a very love-hate with her eyeshadow palettes. Some of them I really love, and then some of them I just feel like blend too much. But I'm not gonna hold you, like lately Natasha Denona, she been on her shit, because this little palette is phenomenal. It's so pretty, it blends super easy, and I have no issues with it. And keep in mind, for this look I think I only use like 4 colors, so yeah. So I'm just building it until I get the intensity that I like so. The next shade I'm going to go in with is going to be this one right here. I'm going to put this in my crease, and also that's the shade that's in my outer corner. For my crease I'm using a more tapered angled brush, and I'm going to really focus her in my crease, give it that really smoked out look. And you guys can pretty much already see what I'm talking about, what I'm going for right here. So I do love this a lot. And of course I would get a message like as I'm filming. I always get messages as I'm filming. Let me put my phone on silent because it's gonna be super annoying. Super duper annoying. So actually, when I did this look, I kind of did it different than what I'm going to show y'all, but this is the way that I want to do it. I'm going to go in with, I'm going to actually smoke out the outer corner first. So I'm just taking a more dense brush, and I'm going to apply the same deeper shade that I put in my crease in the outer corner. And I'm just going to do it like so. So yeah, we're gonna put that in the outer corner. Boom, 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 boom. And now I'm gonna do this like pinky shade, because this is how I anticipated the look going. And I'm so pissed I really dropped this palette. Brand new, but whatever. So I'm gonna put this shade right here. I'm gonna wet it with my all-nighter spray. This is not new. Like, I think at this point everybody and their mama has tried Urban Decay all-nighter spray, but yeah. So I'm going to apply the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, and I'm going to just drag the color until I get the amount of pigment I want on my lid. Because this is the look I was going for, but I don't know why I didn't do it this way. But this is how I should have done the other eye, but whatever. So now I'm going to go in with a really glittery shade and put that on top of it. So literally just going to do the same exact thing, that really glittery metallic-y dense shade. Wet the brush and you're gonna put it right on top of it, and sometimes it picks up even better, honestly, if you just do your finger. So that's with the brush, and then I'll show y'all with my finger. If you have nails, it's gonna definitely be hard to do that. So that's like one of the reasons why I took my nails off, because I couldn't like really do looks and stuff like how I wanted to. So I just like had to get rid of my nails. But yeah, I catch the whole vibe, and I just love it. Like, you can see it way more. I mean, you can see it here too, but this way just made more sense. But I didn't remember to do it that way until honestly the very end. And now I'm just gonna go back in with this shade like so. The liner I'm gonna test out is the new Rare Beauty The Perfect Stroke liner, and I'm gonna be 1000% honest with you. I was not that impressed with it when I did my other eye, but I kind of like it now. It's all right. I will say the Patrick Star is still like one of my favorites, but it served its purpose. It's got the job done. I'm gonna go in with these lashes right here from that the Glam 3-piece Lily Lashes kit that I showed y'all. These are the lashes in the style Rome, and it looks like this. So it comes with glue and it comes with a mascara. So I'm gonna just apply the glue right now, and then we're gonna just coat our lashes with the mascara. The mascara is called the Lily Lashes XXX mascara, and honestly, I'm not like a mascara girl. I have so many mascaras, to be honest. I can do a whole like post about whole look about mascara, but I'm not a mascara kind of girl. But it's cute. This mascara is cute. I will say my favorite mascara though, if I did have to pick one, it used to be Milk Kush mascara, but it would have to be the NARS Climax Extreme. It is like, baby, y'all need that mascara. It's so fire. So yeah, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna get this going on, and I'm going to like use my tweezers. I literally put the lashes on so easy. I've been wearing lashes for like so many years. I feel like with lashes it just takes patience and time, but just take your time. Take your time. Try to get as close to the lash band as you possibly can. Once I get my lashes on, I do typically look down, which is cool. That's why I always like to do the brush on lash applicator like this, because you can easily come with black. So I'm just gonna fan my eye, and then we are gonna move on to our complexion. So look how simple and easy the eyes was. Like, this was so fast, and it looks so glam. It looked like I did a lot, but I literally only used what, like 3 colors. So yeah, y'all, we have the complexion done. I just primed my skin with some Smashbox Smoothing Primer, and I'm gonna go right in with the new Sephora collection, the Best Skin Ever foundation. It's a long wear foundation. That was hella shaky. The Best Skin Ever foundation is a long wearing foundation. This is my first time trying it. Hopefully I got the right shade. I got a 35N, and it looks about right. It's a little on the golden side, but it's supposed to be like, this is supposed to be a neutral shade. And honestly, I feel like sometimes I'm just so used to doing my makeup like hella tan that when I do get my skin color, I'm like, this is the right shade. But yeah, so far so good. It has a really nice coverage. It feels super lightweight on the face. I'm just gonna stipple it, and I am using a Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush. This is the JH03, and it's a really nice brush. It's covering my scars hella good, so that is a good thing. This, honestly, I'm gonna see how this wears, but this could be one of my favorite foundations, because this is like super good, and it's super light, and it feels like truthfully water. Like, it feels really refreshing on the skin, so I'm here for it. I mean, I feel like just because I do have scarring and like spots, I probably have to do some color correction, but or apply an extra layer, but I'm okay with that. Like, when I tell y'all, it feels so good. So far so good. Sephora. This is how the complexion is looking. Not too bad. It's definitely more of a medium coverage. I would say medium, but you can kind of build it up. But this is the coverage. So now I'm gonna go in with the Nude 6 cream concealer, and I have the shade Nude 7. So this is actually not like new for 2021, but this is new to me. I've never tried Nude 6 before, and I'm curious to see what it's like. I've heard a lot of great things about it. This is also another product I can tell that is kind of out of my comfort zone. It's not like super full coverage. It's more of a medium to probably buildable, because it feels super lightweight. So I will say keep that in mind, guys, when y'all choose products. Keep in mind what you have to work with and the type of expectation you are going for, because this is more of the sheer concealer, and like I like full coverage concealer, but I'm okay with this. I don't necessarily need the most full coverage concealer, but it is just something that I'm used to using. But I personally don't think I need a full coverage concealer. But this is really pretty. Really pretty. This is the shade Nude 7, like I said. So this is what Nude 7 is gonna give you guys. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just finish blending it in. I just wanted y'all to see how it looks with the concealer. So I'm gonna finish concealing my face, and I'm gonna go ahead and just like set my under eye and all of that stuff, and we're gonna get right back to it. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and I just added contour and lips and stuff and under eye liner, because those were all things that weren't new. But I'm gonna go ahead and just bronze with the Beauty Bakery Bite Size Snackaroo Bronzer. You can get these at basically Target. Beauty Bakery is new to Target. So, I'm like out of breath. I was running up the steps. So you're just gonna warm up your face. Gonna warm up our skin. I'm not gonna do blush today, so I'm gonna go a little bit heavier with the bronzer. I'm gonna do like a bronzy blush type of vibe. These babies have a lot of pigment, so definitely be careful how you apply it, but nonetheless, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. And then I'm gonna go in with the Artist Couture, the new lip gloss that I got. I got the Artist Couture lip gloss in the shade Sugar Baby. This is also not new to 2021, but this is a newer product to me. I'm really trying to show y'all the color. It has like these flecks. It's so pretty. And what I have on my lip is just ColourPop BFF liner, and I have on MAC Viva La Glam 2, and then I'm gonna put the gloss on top of it. And oh god, it's so like pretty. I had a lip like an Artist Couture lipstick to go with this, but I basically lost it. So this is all I got, because I made a mistake and lost it. I was like going down the steps or something, and it fell out of my bag ripped, and I could have sworn I picked it up, but apparently I didn't. So yeah, that's my little rant on the Artist Couture lip gloss that I lost. So now I'm just gonna take the same, like the color that we used in our crease. I'm gonna take that same shade and just take it underneath my eye, as well as I'm gonna take the color that I used in the outer corner and just kind of like smoke it out. But I wanted to go in with the crease shade first. I'm gonna rub it all the way across, back and forth. This is a Jaclyn Hill, a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH39. So I did that. So now I'm gonna go in with the darker color and just put that in my outer corner like so, and just give it a smoky vibe. It doesn't have to be like super neat, as long as we just get the whole look going. And yeah, y'all, we're gonna just add bottom. I'm gonna add bottom mascara, and that is it for my first impressions on these products. I really do love this Natasha Denona Love palette. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful, y'all. And I'm gonna put on my bottom mascara. I will say the Lily Lashes mascara looks really good towards the bottom. You guys can definitely see the difference. I hate like when I put on mascara and I do like that face, which I think everybody does when they put on mascara. It's so hard not to do that face. I'll try like to remember not to do it if I'm doing a look. But yeah, like look. I'm doing it again, but it's so pretty. This look is like so pretty. It's so me. And now I'm just going to spray my face. I'm gonna cover my eyes just because I just put on mascara. I don't want it to transfer, and this is pretty much it. This is the look. Super pretty, super bomb.